First you need to visit .Billflx Csmos V4 video for the link.
But you need to find passwords. So good luck finding it. Second, extract the CSMOS file. To the CSS file or screen. But you need the full game. To make the mod working. This is going to take a while. So let's skip it. After you are done extracting. You can delete the 7z file. If you want to, if your phone is full of storage. Third, install the application. After you are done installing it, put game CSMOS in the command line to make the mod work. If you have this problem, try this. Copy the gameinfo.com and paste it to the HL2 file. If this technique isn't working for your device, I highly watch the video in link of the description. Voila! The loading of this mod is slow, but it's working though.